Hello guys, welcome back to Barista Experience YouTube channel. My name is Dennis. Today I'm going to teach you all how to clean an espresso machine with Cafetto Espresso Cleaner. For your note, you don't have to clean with this every day, but you do have to clean without this. For example, you have to clean backflushing every day if you use the machine every day. So, for example, for this cleaning solution of corrosive, I would suggest you to clean probably once a week or once in 2 weeks time, depends on how heavy using is your espresso machine. So without further ado, I will show you how to clean right now. We have portafilter over here. As you know, we need to use a blind portafilter. Change it into a blind. Before we backflush it, first thing first, we have to use a brush to brush away all the coffee ground in the group head. Yeah, so I'll show you how you do it. Now, we just clean up the espresso group head right now. We have to clean the steam one. We usually use tap water. If you feel like it's very dirty, of course you can also use a little bit of Cafetto Espresso Cleaning Solution as well. So today we are not going to use this, we're going to use just tap water. And then we're going to clean up our steam one. Yeah, let me show you. Okay. Alright, just now we just done cleaning on the group head, and also we have done cleaning on the milk steamer steam one, and right now the last one will be espresso machine drip tray. Let me show you how to clean it. Alright guys, I taught you all how to clean the group head, I taught you all how to clean the steam one, and also need to clean the drip tray. And also the last, you need to wipe off the wet cloth on the coffee stains on the machine, and also use a dry cloth to clean off as well. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.